40. Swimmer's going down. Going right 30.
At the bird? Yeah. Not much we can do about it.
Forward right 30.
I'm going to take this real slow, let this bird get out of the way.
Roger. Forward right 25. Forward right 20. Forward right 15. Forward right 10. Hold. Gonna get right 10. Right 10? Yep. Right 5. Hold. Swimmer is on the oil tanker. Paying out a little bit of slack. Survivor's approaching the swimmer. Paying out a little bit of slack.
Got your drifting aft a little bit, I think. Archer.
Sight picture still looks pretty good.
Okay, yeah.
Swimmer's hooking up the Survivor. Sight picture looks good. You're coming up, paying out a little bit of slack.
Roger.
Sight picture still looks really good. Got the ready for pickup signal?
I'm in.
Roger, hold. Taking up slack. Prepare to take a load. Taking the load. Swimmer and Survivor will clear the oil tanker. You are clear back and left.
You're clear.
Archer, Swimmer, Survivor coming up. Survivor halfway up.
How's my power on that one?
Swimmer, Survivor.
You're good. You're right at 8.0.
aircraft.
Yeah, 20% to play with. Right now you're at 9.0 though. I think it's because you're backing down.
Backing out. Swimmer, Survivor are just close. Okay,
I'll slide back.
Cabin door, women and swimmer and Survivor. Forward right 40, forward right 30, forward right 20, forward right 15. Forward right 10, swimmer's going down. Forward right 5. Hold, drifting right. Hold. Forward and left 5. Hold. Come forward 5.
Forward 5.
Swimmer's going down. Hold. Need you to go forward right 5. Hold. You go right 5.
A little more.
Hold. Nope, I need you overshot. I need you to go back 10. I need you to go right 5. More. Hold. Nope, swimmer's on the stairs. Staying out a little bit slack. Everything looks good. Swimmer is working with the Survivor. Swimmer's hooking up the Survivor. That picture looks good.
Little gust there.
Got the ready for pickup signal?
Roger, come in.
Roger. Can I get you go right 15? Taking up slack. Taking up slack. Hold. Your altitude. Roger. Is increasing. And you go back in right 5.
Back to right 5. Clear.
Hold. Prepare to take a load. Taking the load. Hold. You're drifting forward. As you go back 15. Your altitude increasing.
Roger.
Roger. Hold right here. Hold. Prepare to take a load. Taking the load. Passing, Survivor and Swimmer are clear of the oil tanker. You're clear back and left.
And I'm going to continue forward. Alright.
Survivor and Swimmer are halfway up.
I'm going to make it real slow, Brian. Roger.
Survivor and Swimmer are just below the cabin door. Survivor, swimmer, hard. That's cabin door. Check CTV. Swimmer, survivor.
GPS 1, reset.
Archer.
And I'm standing by to take you off modes whenever you're ready.
Archer.